Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Smash the subscribe button for me. Like the video. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin about to make a move here. Bitcoin's kind of getting squeezed in this little triangle. I mean, I had it drawn as a falling wedge. You know, this is bullish pattern. Potentially there's a triangle in here as well. We'll talk about that in a second. Break to the upside, you're looking for 16,000. First, 15,600, 16,000, 16,400. And break to the downside, good probability, 14,600, then 14,300, potentially as low as 14,000. Again, just kind of pay attention to what's going on with Bitcoin over the short term. And so I have this triangle drawn here. It's kind of tough. You have this kind of scammy price action. So the most important thing is Bitcoin needs to hold this trend line, right? A lot of bad things happen if this breaks to the downside, right? So there's getting squeezed in this little area right here. So, I mean, we're looking for a Bitcoin move real soon. Bitcoin breaks to the upside. It's going to drag these USDT paired altcoins, Ethereum, a lot of the setups I gave you guys yesterday. You'll see upside in those setups. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, she reached out. She said, I'm a makeup artist. I took your advice. I watched your videos. She made $1,463 on this trade. Life-changing money. She said, I'm a makeup artist. I had no idea about crypto 3 months ago. She didn't know anything about crypto, much less how to trade it. Now I feel I've learned enough, like I've been in this for a year. Thanks to you. Again, this is why I do what I do every day. This person said, I'm not even in the group a full week. My portfolio was up $7,000 on top of the $2,000 just from watching your YouTube channel. And again, subscribe to the channel right now. I'm going to make sure you guys get some free setups to trade. A lot of these ideas, I mean, he made 2 G's just watching the videos, just watching the daily YouTube videos, right? This person, love from India, 101% gains on Uni. You want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net for all the information. Let me run through. RSR was a setup that I had posted. We're looking for a retest, right? And I want to talk to you in this video just kind of how to trade some of these setups. And you guys can do this. You got Get Coinigy, Get Tradingview. They have free trials, whatever. And just kind of understand some basics. I mean, so here I was looking for a retest. So you're buying the move to the downside, and then essentially you're looking for the bounce. Yeah, you got this pullback, move to the upside, up 41% out of RSR. Okay, so it takes a skill level to understand that there's a support level. Look, this is where all the buyers are sitting at. Look, buyers right here, price reverses. Buyers right here, price reverses. Buyers here, price reverses. So you know when you get a pullback to there, the probability of getting a bounce is high because all the buyers have been sitting there, All right, so that's how you know to look for a retest of that level. Ethereum, I gave you guys this yesterday. Remember, Ethereum is a super large cap altcoin, the biggest altcoin. When Ethereum moves, it moves the entire market. This thing breaks out higher. A lot of your altcoins, USDT paired altcoins, are going to continue higher. Ethereum has not broken out of this triangle. Again, this is a bull pennant. I mean, it's supposed to break higher, probability-wise. I gave you guys this Link setup, this triangle yesterday. Again, Link is a larger cap altcoin. I mean, it was only up about 3.5% so far. Again, if Link were to come back down like we talk about and retest this area, then that'd be your entry. All this is completely null and void based on what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin does something crazy. It's like, it's not the altcoin's fault. It's Bitcoin. In crypto, that's what we deal with. Like, Bitcoin makes a crazy move, but you can't be scared of Bitcoin. You just got to use a stop loss, right? Yearn Finance. YFI outperforms DeFi sector as powerful uptrend persists. And so we've made life-changing money in YFI. This is where we bought in. Like, this was the original setup, just to show you guys. Like, you've got falling wedges all over these altcoins right now, and they're just starting to bottom. They're starting to reverse. The altcoin party is starting, okay? I got a ton of setups coming your way over the next month, 2 months, okay? So just kind of understand these ideas, how to trade these setups, okay? So you're buying the breakout when this crosses this trend line, and then you want this candle body to close above there. Potentially buying a retest, a move to the downside that bounces off, and it confirms this pattern. The market recognizes this pattern if it breaks out and bounces, okay? Not too difficult, pretty simple. I mean, we have a ton of extremely smart people that watch this channel. If this was about being smart, everybody would be rich already. This is about understanding a few basic ideas that are foreign, learning the language, and then taking these ideas and practicing with small amounts. Don't throw a bunch of money at this market if you don't know what you're doing. This is not buy now right here. It's buy the breakout or buy the retest. And so if you look at YFI, this is the setup I gave you. Now, we bought back here in the group at 11,000, right? The breakout here, 11,000. At this point, it was up to 15,000. We were already up 50% on YFI. But I gave you guys a setup yesterday's video. Okay, 2-hour golden cross happening by the breakout of the bull pennant. Shortly thereafter, boom, moved to the upside. 21% max gains out of YFI. I mean, so we're up 70% over the initial setup. You guys are up about 21% if you got in on this. Now, there's some bearish ideas here. So, do you get some type of retest? And that's going to be your entry, right? You're looking for you're buying the pullbacks, and that takes practice because you have to be able to mark these support and resistance levels. Start practicing now. You'll see, like, wherever the trend reverses, it's because there's a bunch of sellers sitting right there. Wherever the trend reverses, there's a bunch of buyers sitting right there. Okay, so it's support, resistance, either way, right? Previous support becomes future resistance and vice versa. Previous resistance becomes future support, okay? This is just where everybody sets their buy and sell orders at. Huge gains out of the YFI setup. I get 20%. Bitcoin ran up, took a month to run up about 35%. This did it in a day since yesterday's video. Uni. Again, these are small caps. This is what I like. I like to trade. These are my money makers, right? This is how I pay the bills. This is how I pay the trading bills. Now, this is buy the breakout of the bull pennant. I didn't give you guys this. I would have, but this is a triangle, Uniswap, looking good, bull pennant. Okay, and you see that afterwards, boom, up 12%. Now, if you're trying to get into Uni and you get a pullback, you actually already got a retest right here. See how the price action came back down? So it came back down and said boom and retested that. So if you get a retest or a bounce of that level, then that's your entry. Okay, here's the key. So let's say Bitcoin's got to move, and these USDT paired altcoins take a hit. All of a sudden, you can't be like the herd and think, oh no, I'm losing money, I'm losing. Like, it's a buying opportunity, right? You're looking for these retests. On all these coins that you see that they're just running away, they're going to run again, right? They're going to run again. They're going to bounce back harder. But that gives you the idea, like, hey, I'm going to try to look for this. Maybe I get a retest of this triangle. Maybe I get a deep retest if Bitcoin pulls back, okay? And so you have to think, okay, buying opportunity, change your mindset, and you'll be more successful in this market. And again, practice with a tiny amount. Practice. This is just starting. This is the altcoin mini season. People won't believe this. I'm about to show you CoinMarketCap, and this is why they won't believe it. Probably you guys don't see it. And we did this before. The reason why the herd, retail investors, new people in crypto, don't always do amazing is because everybody's hitting me up and they're like, well, what about Aave? Yeah, Aave's up 150 or 120%. Look at the coins on Binance or on Coinbase. You know, DNT and Civic got added and they're up, you know, ridiculous 3, 4, 5x. Because people are looking at those green numbers. Like you have, and you have to be able to see the future a little bit. You have to think ahead. Okay, so this is the start of a trend reversal. Look at what Uni was doing forever. Look at the Uni. Like it came in here. Remember that? It pumped crazy, ran up to $7.80 in September, and it's been getting destroyed. Like there's been some pumps, but it just keeps getting destroyed. Right? Bitcoin does something crazy. Possibly it rolls over. You've got your stop loss in place. Try again. Now, LRC, loop ring, small cap, tiny cap coin. Easy for these guys to 2 and 3x. Easy, simple. Like they're not very big. Doesn't take a bunch of money. I mean, think about how many billions of dollars it takes for XRP to double in value. LRC is tiny. Like this thing, boom, 46% gains when I posted this today. Boom, massive move, 46%, right? Hey, there's Bitcoin's gain, all the Bitcoin gains you've been stressing about for a month or more in one trade, in 3 hours, right? I posted this just a few hours ago. And so that's why I like the altcoins, because it's like Bitcoin seems like you're just sitting there waiting. Bitcoin does nothing like 330 days out of the year. And when it moves big, right? Let's look at, this is CoinMarketCap, and you look at the larger caps. And so this is what the herd sees, and they don't understand this altcoin season, mini altcoin season, call it what you want, but there's a ton of money being made in these altcoins. So Chainlink, which I gave you guys, up about 4.5%, top gainer in the top 10, right? I gave you guys a setup. Not amazing. Chainlink, man, look at this. Market cap is $5 billion. It takes a ton of money. For this to double, you need another $5 billion to go into Chainlink for just a 2x, right? Just double your money. Look at XRP. You need $11 billion for XRP to get to 50 cents, right? It's heavy. These are heavy coins. They don't move as much, okay? And like, if you were to look at these coins in yesterday's video, people probably were like, dude, what is this guy talking about? Altcoins are going to take off. They're not even moving, Chris. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Look at these. This is, you know, basically flat, 5%, flat. Aave, everybody's talking about this one because it's up crazy, up 150% in a week. Used to be Lend, right? DeFi. It's going to be good. I'm waiting for a pullback on that guy. Okay, so look. Then you sort it by top gainers, right? Loopring had the setup. Boom, life-changing money. Yearn Finance, gave it to you guys yesterday, YFI. RSR, here you go. Boom, move to the upside. Okay, 3 out of the top 5. Okay, 3 out of the top 5 picks. This is why you watch this channel, is because we're going to have these coins turning around. We're going to find some news every day. I'm going to keep the news that moves the market. As soon as this news comes out, it pumps these coins quick, though. Right? So there's a delay. I only make these YouTube videos once every 24 hours. So just be patient. We'll get you guys into some of these coins. We'll help you guys. We'll help you make some profits. And you guys already do. You know, you guys keep coming back. Keep watching this channel. Keep subscribing. Do that right now. Subscribe. Like the videos. Helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Let's get this out there. Let's help people understand what it's really like to make a ton of money in this market. Now caused this complete turnaround in altcoins. Bitcoin dominance put in a head and shoulders reversal pattern. You guys see that? So this is your head, shoulder, right? Reversal. Altcoins took off, right? As soon as this thing heads lower, the altcoins explode. Now, here we are. We had a rising wedge, broke to the downside. Okay, now potentially there's a falling wedge. You get this little move, these altcoins will take off. If you're new and like you're just not in Bitcoin dominance and what is all this, probably I was thinking about it today, maybe I make this channel too complicated, and that's not the idea. I just need to make it all, a lot of these YouTube channels are just real hypey, and it's just like, dude, this mooning, this coin's going to the moon. Like, I really want you guys to understand some of the technical ideas behind these. I mean, it's changed my life completely. Like, I haven't worked since 2018, right? Started trade. I mean, I got in, there's a mini altcoin season the beginning of 2018. I 5x'd on Neo 5x'd. This a lot smaller altcoin season than what you saw in 2017. And so, yeah, listen, I don't want you guys to have to go to work for somebody else, make someone else rich, make yourself rich. Dude, learn to trade this market. Joe Biden transition team adds former CFTC chair and crypto-focused academic Gary Gensler. And I'm like, yes, I'm like, this is going to be some great positive news to cover on the channel. Crypto-focused academic Joe Biden. He's bringing crypto to the forefront. And then I get down the last line and I feel like I got hit in the face. Gensler from MIT, he became known in crypto circles for his savviness about cryptocurrencies and blockchains. Okay, so that's good. He's into crypto and blockchains. This is a positive. But then he has these opinions on the regulatory status of certain cryptocurrencies, like XRP and Ethereum. He said once, he said they both might be securities. And I'm like, well, we don't like this news. we don't like, don't say the securities word. Listen, securities are only, in the United States, there's these really outdated securities laws that are about to become irrelevant because the SEC is going to come in and say, hey, if you guys can take a test and show us that you have a little bit of common financial sense, like, we're going to make you accredited investors. And so potentially, if any changes come, we'll see the ability for Americans to trade securities. So there's a lot of things about to change in this market. There's a lot of gray area that needs to be straightened out. A lot of kind of a gray cloud over crypto. Nobody knows, like, what is it? Is it security? Is it like people don't even, hands off? United States is just like, I don't really want to come out and make a big deal out of anything. Bitcoin whale clusters signal 14,900 is a crucial level for Bitcoin to hold. Let's take a look at this. Boy, price action is getting squeezed here. Like this triangle idea coming down here, this triangle idea, it's all coming. We got a move coming right here. I mean, there's a ton of all these yellow lines, the sellers and the buyers. Right? There's a lot more upside resistance than there is support here on Binance. And so, the bulls need to show up here, hold this price action, make sure, keep your stop losses in place. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.